From the floor of the CME Group, it's Friday, September 10th. Top Notch Trading here today, filling in for Mr. Top Step as Danny's doing some other business. So far, the day is very slow. The way it's set up on the Globex trade last night was kind of giving you the indication with a 95 half low and an 1102.75 high in the S&P. Let's face it, yesterday's low was 95.90 for the regular session, and I'm pretty sure the mini hit 95 half, so kind of a double bottom. And one key level yesterday afternoon in the S&P was 0420. So when the high was 0275, 2 points of interest showed up right away for today's trade. And one was 110420 and then 95 half. Well, right now, the S&P went down and made a low of 98 half and a high of 05. So they actually got to their objective of 0420 with a 5 even high. However, because of the 95.90 low and the 06 half high from yesterday, they continue to be in an inside trading range on a technical standpoint. There's nothing going on. The whole indication this morning said we'd have an open, see an initial move, and then grind away. And that's the whole scenario right now as the market moves. But early in the day, they did make a move higher, and the bias at this time of day is to the buy side. And I suspect there might be another test of that 06 half high from yesterday, with 110720 still being key. So I'm going to give a couple ideas of overall of what I'm really looking for. I should say top notch. Anyway, since we hit in the September contract, and the September contract is still active until expiration next week, I'm going to give you a couple of hints of what the September contract did that can lead us to what the December contract does, because it is the lead month. 1126 half down to 37 low. Here's a high, here's a low. Support held. Now they came back to that key level of 111120. So if Danny is correct on what's going to happen, this level of 111120 is going to go 12 bid, 13 bid, and it's got to go up to an immediate high and get above 27.29 if this bullish run is going to continue. But Top Notch is thinking high, low, a lower high. So if 111120 is going to be good, I expect another low. And if there's going to be a low, it's that 1042.80 level that we talked about in the September. But if I do the equation, it's actually 52 now in the December. That would make a higher low, which what the S&P is doing right now is forming a wedge formation that I'm seeing. All right, now this is one idea. And this is just one idea that I won't let get away with, because I don't let one idea ruin the overall picture. Top Notch still believes there could be another test of 111120, and once again, he recommends that we will short this level again with maybe a 13 even stop. We don't want to get caught up, getting caught with stops, and all of a sudden letting that one idea ruin the whole idea. So with this in mind, as we go into the roll and an expiration next week, I'm going to like these highs that were made from yesterday with another possible test of them again. For today's session, if we can take out the 95.90, we could see further erosion. We never did test the previous day settle of 94.20, 93.10 daily pivot. There's nothing going on. So overall, we take it one step at a time. From Mr. Top Step and Top Notch Trading, have a great weekend.